How to get ExpressVPN free trial. ExpressVPN does not offer a traditional free trial, but it provides a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to use the service risk-free. Here's how you can take advantage of this feature. Step 1. Visit the ExpressVPN website. Go to www.expressvpn.com. Click on the Get ExpressVPN button on the homepage. Step 2. Choose a subscription plan. Select a plan. Monthly, ideal for short-term use. 6-month, better pricing for mid-term use. 12-month, most cost-effective with a 49% discount. All plans are covered by the 30-day money-back guarantee. Step 3. Sign up for an account. Enter your email address. Create a password for your account. Step 4. Complete payment. Provide your credit or debit card details, PayPal, or another available payment method. Note that you'll be charged upfront, but you can request a full refund within 30 days if unsatisfied. Step 5. Download and install ExpressVPN. Once your subscription is active, download the app for your device from the ExpressVPN website. Install the app and log in with your account credentials. Step 6. Start using ExpressVPN. Connect to any of ExpressVPN's global servers. Test its features: high-speed streaming, access to geo-restricted content, secure and anonymous browsing. Step 7. Request a refund if needed. If you decide not to continue, contact ExpressVPN's customer support within the 30-day period. Use the 24/7 live chat or email support to request a refund. ExpressVPN will process your refund with no questions asked. By following these steps, you can try ExpressVPN risk-free and decide if it meets your privacy and browsing needs.